How to lower high blood pressure quickly without medications. High blood pressure, hypertension, is a dangerous medical condition that can cause stroke, heart disease, and even death. You can lower your blood pressure naturally with some lifestyle and diet changes. There are also some natural ways to quickly lower your blood pressure in minutes. Scientific studies discovered that acupressure, short walks, or even a short sun exposure can lower high blood pressure in minutes. You can also lower your blood pressure fast by following the high blood pressure diet, which includes foods such as olive oil, berries, garlic, and omega-3 fatty acids. One of the reasons to lower blood pressure naturally and quickly is to reduce your dependence on medication. You should always reduce your blood pressure medication under your doctor's supervision. However, you may find that a high blood pressure diet can help to treat hypertension and lower your risk of heart disease. In this video, you will find out how to lower high blood pressure without drugs. You will learn about ways to reduce high blood pressure fast, even in minutes. You will also discover how your diet, lifestyle, and supplements can all help to control elevated blood pressure. How to lower high blood pressure without medication. Hypertension can develop into a chronic medical condition that requires urgent attention. There are many ways to treat high blood pressure quickly, in the sense that the natural remedies gradually lower blood pressure in a matter of hours or days. Let's look in more detail at how to lower blood pressure naturally and quickly. Knowing the best ways to manage blood pressure is important to prevent pre-hypertension from becoming chronic high blood pressure. Here are the best ways to lower blood pressure quickly. 1. Acupressure to lower blood pressure immediately. One of the natural ways to reduce blood pressure very fast in minutes is to use various acupressure techniques. In some situations, it can be necessary to lower blood pressure instantly in an emergency. Some studies have shown that applying pressure to certain points on the body can have a fast effect on lowering blood pressure levels. One trial found that applying pressure to the Taichung acupoint on the foot can lower blood pressure instantly. Researchers noticed that pressure on the Taichung point immediately brought systolic blood pressure down by 15 mmHg and diastolic blood pressure by 4 mmHg. There was a continual drop in blood pressure for 30 minutes after the acupressure. The Taichung point is located on your foot between the big toe and second toe. The point to apply pressure is in the depression just before the two bones of your big toe and second toe joint. To help quickly lower blood pressure in an emergency, try squeezing this point with your thumb and forefinger. Apply pressure for 5 seconds, then release for 1 second. Continue this for 30 times over the course of 3 minutes to help lower blood pressure fast. Learn more about the benefits of a foot massage and how you can use this to remedy many health complaints. 2. Get more sun to lower high blood pressure in minutes. One of the natural ways to bring down your blood pressure in a matter of minutes is getting some sun. Researchers have found that there is a link between sun exposure and blood pressure. For example, people with mild hypertension tend to have lower blood pressure in summer than in winter. 3. Go for a short walk to quickly reduce blood pressure. One of the best ways to improve your cardiovascular health and manage hypertension is to go for a short walk. Walking for a period of 10 minutes can quickly reduce your blood pressure, according to one medical study. The researchers found that there was a significant diastolic BP drop during the rest period after each session of walking. For slow breathing can lower blood pressure in minutes. Study reported that controlled deep breathing exercises can help to quickly lower blood pressure. Using breathing exercises for 10 minutes a day was enough to help treat some forms of hypertension without medication. 5. Drink beetroot and apple juice to lower blood pressure naturally and quickly. One of the ways that you can bring blood pressure down fast is by consuming beetroot and apple juice. One randomized controlled trial involving men and women found that a drink containing beetroot and apple juice was good for lowering high blood pressure. The beetroot juice helped to lower blood pressure quickly, as there was a marked reduction within a 6-hour period. 6. Consume pomegranate juice in the high blood pressure diet. Another beverage that is good to drink if you are trying to lower blood pressure quickly is pomegranate juice. One small trial involving men with high blood pressure found that consuming 150 milliliters of pomegranate juice helped lower blood pressure fast. Most participants in the trial noted a reduction in blood pressure within a 4 to 6 hour period. The researchers noted that pomegranate juice should be recommended on a high blood pressure diet. 7. Acupuncture to help reduce blood pressure fast. One of the natural remedies for hypertension to reduce your dependence on medication is acupuncture. Acupuncture therapy every second day for a month helped to lower dangerously high blood pressure. Other trials have found that acupuncture is an effective natural remedy for mild hypertension. 8. Drink hibiscus tea to lower blood pressure fast. Hibiscus tea may not lower your blood pressure in 3 minutes or less, but drinking it daily can help manage chronic hypertension. 9. Regular exercise to reduce high blood pressure. A review of trials involving the effects of exercise training on blood pressure. The results of 95 trials found that regular exercise and resistance training lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Even less vigorous exercising such as walking can also help to remedy hypertension. One study found that moderate walking can help to lower blood pressure naturally and reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. 10. Lose weight to manage hypertension naturally. Getting and maintaining a healthy body weight puts less strain on your heart and helps to lower blood pressure. Getting enough exercise and enjoying a healthy, well-balanced cardiac diet help to lose weight and also treat hypertension. You can start on a program to lower your blood pressure today if you take measures to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. 11. Manage stress to help control high blood pressure. If stress is the cause of your hypertension, knowing how to control stress can help to lower blood pressure fast. Most doctors agree that chronic stress is a precursor for hypertension. Pressures at work, in the family, or in dealing with distressing situations can cause blood pressure to rise and become a chronic condition. Foods that lower blood pressure quickly. Because diet can greatly affect blood pressure, many people wonder what they can eat to lower blood pressure fast. While there is not a single food that lowers blood pressure immediately, enjoying a healthy diet can help manage hypertensive condition. Foods to eat for hypertension on the DASH diet include 12. Complex carbohydrates such as green leafy veggies, whole grain foods, and legumes. Healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, oily fish, and flax seeds are all recommended to lower blood pressure. Low-fat protein that contains essential micronutrients such as fish, eggs, beans, and lean meats. 13. Potassium-rich foods help to lower blood pressure. Foods that help you meet your daily potassium needs are good to eat if you suffer from hypertension. Researchers found that getting your daily potassium intake of 4.7 g through your diet can help to greatly reduce blood pressure levels. Foods rich in potassium that can help manage hypertension include lentils, dried apricots, kidney beans, milk, bananas, and chicken breast. 14. Calcium helps lower blood pressure naturally. Eating foods that contain calcium can help to manage elevated blood pressure issues and prevent cardiovascular heart disease. Calcium is an important mineral that regulates blood pressure. Not getting enough calcium in your diet can result in hypertension and increase artery pressure. Foods that can help bring down blood pressure because they are high in calcium include sardines, cheese, milk, yogurt, and tofu. If you can't take dairy products or you stick to a vegan diet, find out about other great non-dairy sources of calcium you can enjoy. 15. Apple cider vinegar can help lower blood pressure naturally. Although apple cider may not lower blood pressure immediately, it could help treat some types of hypertension. Most of the medicinal properties of apple cider vinegar come from its content of acetic acid. One study found that acetic acid helps to inhibit certain enzymes that can cause high blood pressure. Scientists found that acetic acid solutions had a positive effect on blood pressure. 16. Olive oil is one of the best foods to take to help lower blood pressure naturally and improve your cardio health. One study found that people who regularly consumed olive oil in their diet had a lower risk of hypertension. Interestingly, scientists noted that olive oil helped treat hypertension in men, not in women. However, this may be because women in general suffer from high blood pressure less than men. 17 cacao powder to bring down blood pressure naturally. One of the best drinks for high blood pressure to enjoy is hot chocolate made from cacao powder. 18 Moringa oleifera for high blood pressure. One of the foods to help lower blood pressure and keep it at safe levels is Moringa oleifera seeds. Consuming Moringa oleifera seed powder help control high blood pressure in hypertensive rats. Scientists noted that this study helps confirm the traditional use of Moringa oleifera seed for high blood pressure. You can also take Moringa oleifera leaf supplements as a natural remedy for hypertensive conditions. 19 berries should be in the blood pressure diet. A high blood pressure diet should include plenty of servings of berries to help boost your cardiovascular health. Berries such as blueberries, bilberries, black currants, and cranberries contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that have a positive effect on blood pressure. Researchers have found that a diet rich in berries can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Consuming berries is also good to keep your heart healthy and lower your risk of developing chronic diseases. 20 natural remedies for high blood pressure, hypertension supplements. There are many natural ingredients that help to lower blood pressure fast. Although taking a supplement might not instantly bring down your blood pressure, taking them regularly can help to relatively quickly treat hypertension naturally. What are the best supplements that help lower blood pressure? Garlic supplements for high blood pressure. Omega-3 supplements for hypertension. Vitamin C is a good natural remedy for high blood pressure. Whey protein for high blood pressure. Coenzyme Q10 supplements for bringing down high blood pressure. Olive leaf extract supplements to lower blood pressure naturally. Resveratrol.